Do you have an upcoming hearing with the Board of Veterans' Appeals? Stay tuned to learn what you can do to be prepared.
Welcome to the YouTube channel of Michael J. Swanson. Michael is the author of How David Beats Goliath and is the CEO of Advocate Capital. And now, here's Michael.
Well, you've had your VA claim denied once, maybe twice, and now you have a hearing scheduled with the Board of Veterans' Appeals. And so to help you understand some important points and how to prepare for that, I've invited a very experienced attorney, Ken LaVan, who has represented many veterans successfully across the country, to help us with that. Ken, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me today.
Boy, I understand that veterans claims get turned down all the time, and it can be a multi-year process. So if someone has been through this a few times and now they have a hearing scheduled, what are some things they should know or should do to prepare?
If you're a veteran and you have a hearing in front of the Board of Veterans Appeals, you are at a critical stage in the veterans process. The hearing that you're going to is the last chance that you have to put in all the evidence before you get a final decision on your case. And there are a few things you have to show during that hearing. Not only do you have to submit all the evidence, but you have to show that you had a service-connected injury, and you have to prove that, and then you have to connect it to your current disability. If you can't show those two things with the connection between your in-service injury along with the current disability, then you're not going to win your case for getting service-connected disability. In addition, if you're going for an increased rating, you have to show that your disability has gotten worse. So it's a very important time in the process, and you definitely want to have representation.
So someone shouldn't try this on their own?
I would never advise anyone to do a Board of Veterans Appeals hearing by themselves without representation. Absolutely.
Well, if someone's watching this, Ken, and they would like to ask maybe a few more questions privately of you, how would they get a hold of you?
They can call our office. It's toll-free number, 888-234-2341.
And that number works all across the country?
Correct.
Fantastic. We'll be sure to put that below this video on YouTube. Well, Ken, thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day. I know you've been helping veterans for years, so thanks for the important work that you do for them.
Thank you. It's great talking to you, too. Have a great day, Mike.
Okay, thanks, Ken.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.